morning, everyone. This is Humbly Yours, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just checking in with you guys. I know that I have not been on, but I was just basically trying to figure out my budget and my finances for the year of 2021. This here is my new budget binder or budget planner from the Happy Planner. This is the Savvy Saver budget planner, and I really do like this. Now, I still had some parts from my other planner, but I wanted to start the new year off fresh, and this is already dated. This way I don't have to put the months in and put the dates in and everything. So that's why I got this one. So anyway, so this is how it looks. This is the page where you would put, you know, your name here if you wanted to, and I probably will do it later, but I'm gonna get some stickers to do that. This here is your year overview for 2021. This is your year overview for 2022. I do have my paydays already marked off. I have a few things of my, as far as my financial goals for 2021. One is to pay off some debt. I want to save $1,000 by December, and I also would like to save some money towards retirement, even though my 401k also just started this month, but I still want to put some money up on the side for that. Here is the perpetual calendar. As you can see, I already have some spots already filled out, but I think I'm just going to use this just to track my bills for the year. And we'll go right into the month of January. I decided that the only stickers that I want to put in here are the ones that I use for my no spend days. I'm going to still use my color coded system, but I'm going to use colored pens for that. And so this page here is where I'm going to list my income for the month, my bills, and what dates they're due and how much they are. And down in this section, I sectioned it off just so I can put the confirmation numbers in here after I pay each bill. Let's see here. So this is your savings tracker. This side here is for accounts and your, what it says, account and debts. So I am paying off one right now. I started paying on it in December. It was a personal loan. Basically, I forgot all about it, so obviously it went to collections. But anywho, I'm going to pay that off. I've already paid off most of it. I have one more payment to go. I printed this off of, I think it's called Free Debt Trackers or something like that. This when you go to Google, type in Free Debt Trackers, and it'll pull up the website for this. Oh, it's called Debt Free Charts. That's what it's called, Debt Free Charts. So I've already got most of this paid off, like I said, so that's a big accomplishment for me. And I've been tracking everything as usual. These are your weekly spending or weekly expenses pages. I decided to set up per week and, you know, to track my spending for that week. And then down here on the bottom in the note section, this is where I'm going to put my goal as far as stuff in my envelopes for that week. So I have this already done. This is from my other budget book, but I saw that my spending was a little bit more than what these lines are here, so I had to carry it over. I just threw this in to carry it over because it's not enough for me. So I did that. And then this is my paycheck budget sheets that are also available in my Etsy shop, and I will leave a link below. I'm only selling them for $1, nothing big. But in case anyone is interested, I also have these budget paycheck budget worksheets in there. I have two colors, pink and then gray. And then I also have my weekly check-in page in there, and I can also do that with the headers being pink or gray. And so, and these pages here is what I'm keeping track of as far as what I have on my debit cards. Okay, I use Cash App and I use Chime, and I can also leave a link in the notes section below. And let's see here. Oh, now I am doing a couple of savings challenges. I started. One is I'm calling it the pay save the date uh savings challenge. So basically, I got paid on the first, so I started off with $1. I got paid on the 15th. I put $15 towards it, and then I get paid again on the 29th, and I'll do that. So basically, each time I get paid, whatever date that is, that's the amount that I'm going to save. I am also saving for, I'll be moving this summer, so I'm also saving for that. I don't have a tracker for that. I'll just write it down each time I get paid, how much I'm putting in there for that. Let me see, did I print my other? Okay, so I do have a couple of other challenges I do plan on trying to do. One is, I am. So I am moving this summer, so I figured I need to save $133 for my portion of the deposit when we do move. So I've already got 133, I think it's more than that, $132 saved for that. Christmas, I hadn't started my Christmas one because I'm paying off my loan, so I'm trying to take care of that first before I start putting money towards Christmas. I haven't decided what I'm going to use this one for. I am going to be doing a $1 challenge. But basically, I just, whatever ones I have by the time I get paid again, I'm going to put towards my $1 challenge envelope. I haven't started the $5 challenge tracker envelope challenge yet because, like I said, I'm just trying to pay off other things first before I get to that point. But we got a whole year to do all of that, right? And then I'm also doing a nickel challenge, which I've already started. Let me see. And here's my chart for that. Or I'm not going to take it off. So it's the 52-week savings challenge, nickel. So I've already had $3 saved up. So each week it tells you how much you're supposed to have, or you're supposed to deposit into your nickel challenge. I'm going to put it in here each week, and then I'll transfer it over to my cash box. So that is how that is going so far. Let me see. First, let's see here. Sinking funds. I do have a tracker for that. And it's right here for my sinking funds. I'll take this one out. I just have them listed right here. I do have some money in them, but what I did was to set it up so that I'll know how much I want to put in each one and how many months I'll have to save it. Okay, my goal though is to save $1,000 by the end of the year, and if I happen to save more than that, then good for me. Okay, as far as that goes, let me see here. So I'm not going to do a cash envelope stuffing. I just wanted to come on real quick and show you guys that I'm still here. I'm still, doing my thing here. I'm also, another challenge that I'm doing is called the Zero Down Challenge. And basically, when I go in and I look into my savings account and say like I have, I don't know, $25.95. What I'll do is, out of my spending account, I'm going to transfer the $5.95 into my savings, which will bring it down to zero and into my for my challenge. So basically it'd be like this. So say this is my spending account. So $25.95. This is my savings account. Online. I'll take the $5.95 and move it down here, which is going to leave me a balance of $20 in my spending account. Okay, and then this will be $5.95, and it builds up really quick. So I do like that part that I'm doing. I'll also leave a link for my Chime. I really like using the online banking account Chime because I have They gave me a card, like it's like a credit card, but I put the money onto that card, and as I'm spending off of that card, it'll help build my credit. I have a spending account, which is what I was talking about right here, and then I also have a savings account. But the best thing about, or well, that I like about the spending account, so say like I go to the grocery store and I spend $19.90, it will take and round up to the next dollar, which will be that difference of 10 cents, and it'll add it into my savings. So that's another way I'm building up my savings, my online savings account. Okay, and I really think that's it. I just wanted to come on real quick and, you know, show you guys some things. I do plan on doing a video next week. I'll be doing, let me see, a weekly check-in. Well, I could do part of my weekly check-in now. So, let's see here. I hope you guys can see this. So this is what's going on, what has gone on so far. And as of right now, so today is the 21st. So I still have 2 more days before I complete for this week. But I have been saving money and carrying it over here. So I won't know what my balance, of course, is going to be until the end of the week. And then I'll come back in and show you guys that by, hopefully I'll record that video by the 30th. And then we'll be complete for this month. And then I can go ahead and start planning for the month of February. And show you guys my cash envelopes, my sinking fund envelopes, because I've been making changes with that too. I decided that since these pages here are from my other book, other budget book, I decided I would use these to keep track of my Cash App account and my Chime account. And yes, I do use Cash App. It works for me. I hear people have problems with it all the time, but I haven't had any issues. So that's how this is going. And I think actually I'm going to move this here so I don't have to flip back, because I only got 1 more payment to go. And I am so excited about that. But like I said, the debt that I have, other than student loans, is pretty small. So I want to keep track of that. I did, now I wish I would have thought of this last year, because I did pay off another $500 loan. And now this has taken me practically 2 months to pay this off. But the other one was also for $500, and I paid it off within a month. So I'm just trying to get all of that stuff paid off. And then I'll concentrate on my student loans at another time. Even though, thank God, right now they're putting a suspension on all of that stuff. Until we get past this virus and everything. But, like I said, I'll leave a link below for my paycheck budget sheets and my weekly check-in sheets as well. And this has nothing to do with budgeting, but in case anybody has to keep track of as far as blood pressure, your weight, or your pulse rate, I also have this vital statistic tracker in my Etsy shop, and I will leave a link to all of these sheets that I've created below. And I believe that is it. That's all I wanted to get on and talk about. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming by, stopping by, viewing my channel. I do have a whole bunch of ideas and things that I want to do for the year of 2021. And I hope you guys still continue to follow me. How do you like my coworker made this for me for Christmas, and I told her that I'm going to put this on my desk. She made this a special, it was a Christmas gift, and she made this especially for me. So I have it on display on my desk now. But once again, thank you for stopping by to view my channel. I appreciate the continued support from those who are subscribed to my channel. And like I said, just hit the like button if you like this video. I didn't say that, but you know what I mean. Hit the like button if you like this video, and then ring the bell if you would like to receive notifications every time that I post a new video. And you guys have a great and blessed day. Peace.